Fans, it's me, Raindrop. Yeah, it's been a while since I recorded. Well, Freddie, Spring Bonnie, and I. Yeah, we haven't been recording for a while. I know it's kind of weird, but the only reason is because I've been holed out for a while, and I guess I'll start again. So sorry if you were worried or anything. And I'm playing. Oh, darn it. Okay. I'm bad at this. There we go. There. So, yeah. That's the latest update for now. So, the only reason why, of the video of me playing FNAF. Not playing FNAF. Watching FNAF. A terrible excuse for I can't fix you and I got no time. The recording was really bad and I deleted that, and Laura also had to delete hers because of how bad the recording was. But I'm gonna go and see you then. I might start a new channel. It's called Raindrop. I might, though. It's called Raindrop, the Gaming Fox. Yeah. Because I'm gonna start playing games. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.